It's Louise here from CrazyBorgies. I hope you're well and fine on this beautiful last couple of days of June. Yes, I've got there in the end. Right, as you can see, I have started my Lunar latch hook cushion. Lovely. And yes, I'm really pleased with how it's coming out so far. This is hopefully what it should look like. So we're starting off around this sort of section here at the moment. So yes, I'm going to be doing a latch hook along with me video today. Yes, so I'm going to put you in the phone holder and let's get latch hooking. You could do any project, it doesn't have to be latch hook, but yes, it is looking fabulous so far. Yes, really pleased with it. But yeah, these come out really well anyway, as you've seen from my other cushion. Let me just show you, hang on a sec. So there's my other cushion looking all squished and squashed from where we've been sleeping on it. Luna particularly likes it, and this cushion is for Miss Luna. But yes, that one turned out fabulous, as you can see. Just a little catch up. You will hear the fan going off in the background because we are still experiencing this freak heat wave. Yes, which is a nightmare, quite literally. Whew. And tomorrow is supposed to be even hotter here. I usually work 2 by 2 rows, to be honest with you. So I do 2 rows at a time because I find that just is more helps it go a bit faster. Not that I'm in a rush or anything, but yeah. And I kind of go by the stamp on the cushion, but it's always good to have the paper chart handy around you somewhere so you can always double check yourself. Most definitely. But I am really enjoying this one. I've literally just started this one about an hour, well no, this afternoon, because I fell asleep, guys. I fell asleep, story of my life, always falling asleep. They tell me that it's not to do with my heart condition, but I'm pretty sure it is, because I must say I do notice a difference when I haven't took my tablets to when I have took them. Yeah, but the heat is probably knocking me out as well. So I think my speed has increased on the latch hooking side of things as well, which is good. Just sitting on my sofa here doing it, and I thought, well, you know what, might as well hop on and do a latch hook video. Well, I've got 5 minutes spare. How long it'll be before someone comes and needs something is, yeah, it's probably not going to be that long, guys, to be honest with you. There. But it's always good. It's always good to have variation on the channel. So you never know what you're going to get. You could get diamond painting, cross stitch, latch hook, beaded cross stitch. It varies from day to day depending on how I'm feeling. Okay. At the moment it does look like a colourful mess, this cushion, but trust me, once the end result is there, or once we go up a bit further, it will start to look like the image. Yes. Where are we now? We want some black now, don't we? Yeah. And these are most definitely lunar colours, black and white. And I am loving Temu's latch hook kits at the moment. They are just fabulous. Not too expensive, and yeah, you can pretty much find anything that you want on a latch hook cushion on Temu. So yeah. Just check to see I'm still in frame. Yeah. Bit lower, yeah. Okay. So we've got black now again. Black and white. So I hope you've all had a beautiful weekend so far. Or, well, it's nearly over now. It's Sunday afternoon, so coming into Sunday evening. But yes, I hope you've all had a good weekend. Nothing too stressful. Just trying to make sure here this is the right shade. She is most definitely a salt and pepper type of looking girl, this one, this doggy. And the one thing that I like about her is she doesn't shed hardly at all, which is good, because our last dog, the Rottie, the Rottweiler, she shed terribly. But I loved her just the same. There we go. Lovely. So yeah, I find if I do 2 rows at the same time, that the progress of it goes a little quicker. Yeah. So I was reading yesterday's comments on my video about my nightmare that I had from Michelle, I think it was, and someone else. I can't remember who else it was. Actually, let me just check, see who else it was from while I'm here. Let me pause you. Right, yes, it was Jane and Michelle that commented on my video yesterday. That was telling me about their dreams. Oh gosh, it seems quite realistic when you're in it, doesn't it, at the time? But whew. Michelle said her dogs woke her up as well. They must think, what the heck are we doing? But it's so funny when your dog has a bad dream and you look over and they're there kicking their legs and barking. So funny. Whoops, a daisy. Yeah, so I've just been to church today and done some washing. Put it on the line. It's been a really funny day today. It's been like, even though it's really hot and humid, it just keeps looking like it wants to rain out there for some reason. Trying to see, that's white, isn't it? Sometimes it's hard to tell the difference between white and grey here. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, I went to church for 8 o'clock mass this morning and it was so hot in there as well, but I'm glad it went at that time and not at midday, because the humidity would have been even worse. Go. Getting ready to put the kiddies in the bath, well, not bath, they'll have a shower tonight, and shower and wash their hair, ready for school tomorrow. Yeah. Luna's just come in with a toilet roll to rip up. Bless her. I've already soaked her down once today. I think she's going to need to have another one this evening. She's not coping well with this heat at all. And yeah, Michelle, I have ordered her a cooling mat, so hopefully, I did Amazon Prime it, hopefully it should be coming in a couple of days. Did she lick you then on the lips? Ah, yuck. Don't let her do that, darling. I do not like doggies licking on lips. No. Keep your tongue to yourself, Luna.
Yeah.
I think she's just really hot and bothered. Look at that, she's all spread out now on the sofa. You're one hot and bothered doggy, aren't you? So yeah, the reason I got this cushion was because my Luna keeps sleeping on my rainbow swirl one. So I thought, you know what, when I saw this one and I saw how much it looks like her, because there's not many cockapoo images out there of black and white. It's usually like the, let's do that one again, it's usually like the teddy bear coloured one, you know, the brown ones that there's lots of images of, not so much black and white like Luna. So when I saw this I was like, yep, that's going in my cart. And then I done my trick of leaving it in there for a good few days. I think it was in there for about a week or so, and then eventually Temu sent me an offer that I just couldn't refuse, which was they'd reduced it down to, I think it was £3 something, wasn't it? £3.76. Yeah. And I was like, yeah, that'll do nicely. $5.16. So yeah, couldn't resist that offer. And that's what you do with Temu, is you leave it in your cart for a good few days, and eventually they will send you an offer. A reduction offer. I'm still not sure about how all the money back sort of offers work though on it though, to be fair. That's grey, and then it's, whoops, no, that's black, that's grey. And then it's yep, I'll finish the video when I get to the end of these 2 rows, I think. So, oh no, my battery's gone. Is it my battery or no, it's the light actually. In 20 minutes. Let me turn up my light over here. Sita, could you turn on the big overhead light for mummy, please? That's a bit better. Obviously the phone couldn't cope with the heat. Yeah, so the thing I like about Latch hook is you can see the progress really quickly with this. And they're a real generous size cushion as well, these ones. I've already got the insert for it because I got a pack of 2 off of Amazon. One went inside the rainbow swirl one. But I'm thinking you could sell these at craft fairs. I think they would go, you know. I think people would buy them. Black now. So they've got lovely little Christmas ones that have come out as well. Always wash them on cool water because then the colours won't run. And hand wash them as well. So yeah. I'm going to be changing my channel's name fairly shortly as well, guys. Still going to be CrazyBorgies, but it's just going to have crafts at the end of it. So, yeah. So I think that's predominantly what I do on my channel, isn't it? So, yeah. Be interesting, wouldn't it, to see if you could get a custom latch hook cushion from somewhere. I don't think you would be able to, but would be interesting to see, most definitely. I haven't seen many religious ones because I was looking for ones with Jesus on and I couldn't find any latch hook cushion with Jesus on. The only one I could find was in cross stitch, so I got that one you saw on Friday. But yeah, be interesting if you could do that. Still got my unboxing of a new cross stitch company to film as well. Yeah, I've seen lots of really fun looking designs for Christmas on the latch hook cushions. Lovely. And now we're going back on to blue. Okay, just this little section left to go. You will hear some background noise because my son's just taking the dog out for a toilet run. Well, not a run. I think she would pass out if we made her run in this heat. I think when you come back we'll have to shower her down, make her nice and cool. It really annoys me when people don't pick up their dog poop, guys. It really does. Because, you know, in the UK, I don't know in America, but in the UK, if you don't pick up your dog poop, you can get fined. Quite a considerable amount. But it still doesn't deter people. They still leave great big dollops of it everywhere, and it's just not nice, you know. It's really not nice. And I'm a dog lover, and I don't like it, you know. And then saying that, I don't like it when cats messes everywhere as well. That's not nice either. I just think you have to be mindful, don't you, of other people as well, you know. Because it's not nice when your kids step in it or someone falls over in it or something like that. It's just not nice. Just pick it up, you know. I mean, even in our garden, I always, as soon as Luna goes number 2, I'm out there with a poo bag picking it up, because the last thing I want is for her to go stepping in it, or the kids to go stepping in it and bringing it in the house. So right, I'm going to say adios, buenas noches in a minute, once we come to the end of this row, and then I will show you what it's looking like after we've done just those couple of rows. There's only one bonus to it being as hot as what it is at the moment, and that's when you wash your clothes and put them on the washing line to dry. They're dry within the hour, you know, sometimes only half an hour, and they're bone dry. So yeah, that's the only positive thing I've got to say about the heat. This yellow is gorgeous, isn't it? Very vibrant. Yeah, really nice. Yellow, reds, oranges, pinks, all the Mediterranean colours. They're all my happy colours. most definitely. There we go. That's 2 more rows done. So lovely, loving how it's looking so far. There we go, guys, that's what it's looking like so far. So yes, I'm loving it. Gorgeous. And the backing on this one is the same as my other latch hook cushion, my spiral, rainbow spiral. It's like a velvety biscuit colour. Yeah, so really nice. I think it's looking gorgeous. Very nice so far. Loving those colours though. You can already see it starting to take shape, can't you? Yeah, beautiful. Anyway, the more I do, the more I will update you guys on, okay? So take care. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Take care, God bless, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now, guys. Bye.